It can quickly become overwhelming to manage job postings and contacts across multiple boards. Today, we'll be covering Ziprecruiter and how to effectively source talent from the platform. Hey, and welcome back. My name is Preston, and I'm a professional recruiter in the technology industry. If you've been keeping up with my videos, you may remember I recently talked about some of the top websites to source tech candidates. If you've been with me for a while, you'll know I've covered countless online job boards that recruiters and hiring managers utilize to find employees. Indeed, the rapid expansion and adoption of technology and the internet has transformed the recruiting and hiring landscape. Considering how many options there are, new recruiters and veterans alike often find themselves wondering which are the best or most effective to post on. Others choose to cast a wide net and search for talent on as many platforms as possible. Certainly, there are pros and cons to both methods. Choosing one or two of the biggest platforms allows you to focus your efforts and really gets to know the types of candidates that utilize them. However, you may be missing out on talent on other platforms. Conversely, the more platforms you utilize, the wide array of talent you'll have to access to. That said, it can quickly become overwhelming to manage job postings and contacts across multiple boards, and diminishing returns sets in pretty quickly as certain platforms fall by the wayside in favor of the most effective ones. Luckily, there is a single platform that attempts to solve both of these issues by allowing recruiters and hiring managers to really post multiple job boards and organize applicants under one umbrella. And it also happens to be one of the fastest, most effective ways to finding talent to fill roles. Today, we'll be covering Ziprecruiter and how to effectively source talent from the platform. But before we get started, please consider helping out a fellow recruiter. Give us a big like, subscribe, click that bell. Really means a lot. The term job board is taken from the old-fashioned way employers and candidates would match. Traditionally, there was an actual physical board where employers could publicly display open positions. As you can imagine though, this was time-consuming and ineffective on both sides of the process. As such, the internet quickly became the top way of finding jobs for its convenience and speed. Ziprecruiter is fairly new to the game. It was founded in 2010 and has quickly grown to be one of the top online job sites in the nation, and for good reason. It solved a growing problem that existed as more and more people took to the internet to find jobs or hire candidates. It was quickly becoming just as tedious and overwhelming as traditionally applying to jobs. Ziprecruiter speeds up and streamlines the process on both sides in a number of ways. Let's start by exploring the platform's features before we dive into how to effectively use it. Ziprecruiter features. Ziprecruiter's main function is to improve and speed up the hiring process for everyone involved by intelligently automating some of the more tedious aspects. It does this in a number of ways. One post reaches over 100 job sites. We've covered plenty of niche job sites in the past. These platforms can be especially effective for sourcing specialized talent. But the more specific a job site is, the fewer users it will actually have and the longer it may take to find the candidate you're looking for. Additionally, individually posting jobs across these sites quickly becomes time-consuming. Ziprecruiter solves this problem by partnering with over 100 niche job boards, websites, and social media platforms. It allows you to post a single job description that reaches every single one with a click of a button. Here's a sampling of the site that Ziprecruiter posts to: Google, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, FlexJobs, Orlando Weekly, Detroit Metro Times, US News and World Report, Traffic Boost, Jubal, Job Rapido, Trovit, Patch, Nuvco, Make Tech Easier, Movado Real Estate, Job Hack, Lenza, plus so many more. You may find yourself wondering, where are the sites like Indeed or Monster? Well, consider that these platforms are Ziprecruiter's competition, so it's not in their best interest to partner. This is something you should keep in mind. If you're thinking about using Ziprecruiter, make sure that the job boards are effective places to be sourcing candidates for your niche and market. Ziprecruiter caters to plenty of industries, but you may find that Monster or Indeed are better suited for your needs. Be sure to stay tuned because we'll be covering those platforms in the near future. Manage job slots from the dashboard. For recruiters and hiring managers, Ziprecruiter works by providing a certain number of job slots that correspond to job postings that are being distributed by Ziprecruiter to its partner platforms. Once all of your job slots are used up, you won't be able to post any more openings until the current ones are filled. Ziprecruiter allows a new opening to be posted as soon as an old one is taken down, and there are no set time limits or other constraints. So a single job slot should be enough to cover a low volume solo recruiter or a hiring manager with infrequent hiring needs. For teams of recruiters or a rapidly expanding company with numerous roles to fill, more job slots may be purchased. We'll look at pricing and plan options in just a moment. The dashboard also allows you to organize, track, and reach out to candidates from a variety of job boards under one roof. So there's no need to log into multiple platforms at the same time in order to keep up contact with your potential hires. Job description templates. Another way Ziprecruiter speeds up the job posting process is by providing pre-made, customizable job descriptions based on thousands of different roles. This usually takes the form of bulleted lists templates that detail the skill and the qualifications of your preferred applicant and the responsibilities of the role. These templates are effective if you're eager to get job posting out quickly, but the best recruiters and hiring managers take the time to craft a detailed job description that more closely matches the specific role and company culture. Resume search. Like most job platforms, Ziprecruiter also includes a database of over 36 million resumes and an advanced search feature with plenty of filters in order to narrow down the list of potential candidates. This works just like any other resume search engine, so I won't spend too much time on it here, but you want to keep in mind that in order to view the full contact info on a resume, you'll need to be a paid member. AI matching. One of the most unique and helpful features that Ziprecruiter offers is near instantaneous matching with qualified candidates using AI automation. Their proprietary software scours thousands of resumes from their database and matches it to your job description. It automatically sends out a job invite to those candidates so you can get hiring faster. Other features. Aside from the main offering, Ziprecruiter also offers a host of typical features you expect to find on a job board. Automatic screening questions to further filter applicants, a responsive customer support team, and full integrations on mobile platforms. I recommend signing up for a free trial and exploring the platform to familiarize yourself and its features. So with that in mind, let's break down on how to make an account and post a job opening on Ziprecruiter. Making an account and posting a job. To get started on Ziprecruiter, simply open the homepage up in your browser of choice and click Post a Job. It will be in the top right-hand corner. You'll be prompted to create an account and you have to fill in this information: name, email address, password, company name, number of employees, one if it's just you, how many jobs you'll need to fill at one time, your current title, phone number, zip code, the applicant tracking system if you use one. Once you finalize your account details, you'll be prompted to start your job posting. Begin by typing a name in the job title field. An autofill option will come up with some automatically suggested titles. Use one if you want. It will correspond to the automatically generated description later on if you choose to use one. Alternatively, come up with your own unique title based on your own and client's needs. You want to fill in additional location information, including the street address and zip code related to the position itself to help local candidates find you. You can also choose whether the position is remote. Finally, specify if the position is full-time, part-time, or otherwise. Next, you can move on to the job description. One will be automatically generated for you if you choose an auto-filled job title. Again, I urge you to customize this as much as possible. Candidates don't want to read the same bland set of qualifications and requirements over and over again. You'll stand out to the best ones by providing a unique and enticing job description. Still, these templates are a great place to get started. Finally, definitely considering filling in the fields for benefits, compensation, and why work at this company. These will help get further attention from great candidates. After submitting a job post, Ziprecruiter will then analyze it and provide matches and suggestions on where to go based on its findings. Depending on the size of your business or recruiting operation, Ziprecruiter has a number of payment plans available. So let's take a look at them right now. Plans and pricing. Ziprecruiter offers 3 tiers of pricing: Standard and Premium, where users are charged per active job, as well as Pro, where users are billed a flat monthly rate depending on the size of their operation and services they require. Standard and Premium. A single standard job opening is $16 per day and allows for unlimited candidate applications. Premium job postings are $24 per day and includes premium placements on job boards and alert emails, as well as access to the resume database. Under these plans, users are charged monthly or when either of these things happen. You reach or exceed $500, you remove your job postings. Pro. If you need to fill many positions quickly, consider Professional Pricing Plan. This offers a number of job slots based on your hiring needs at a set rate per month, as well as additional features such as traffic boost features and ATS integrations. It's important for you to consider your needs before purchasing a plan. Smaller operations will definitely be covered with low-tier plans. Consider signing up for a free trial to see what features you may actually need. Do you use Ziprecruiter to hire candidates or find jobs? I'd love to hear your thoughts about the platform. Be sure to leave a comment down below. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to support a fellow recruiter. Like, subscribe, click that bell. It really means a lot. Feel free to also follow me at Preston_Park, as I try my best to also post behind the scenes content daily. Thank you so much again, and we'll see you on the next one.